In this video, guys, I will be talking a little bit about this storeroom that we bought, and my hubby and son started it. My cousin-in-law, he built the foundation with the cement. So these are the doors. We get 4 doors with it. The size is a 8 by 15 foot storeroom, Lifetime brand. That's the flooring. They just finished the flooring. The concrete part of it, my cousin-in-law did it, and then my hubby and my son fit up the flooring from Lifetime. Is this hard? Is this hard?
No.
Max, is this hard?
You know it's not hard, it's just technical.
Guys, on the first time?
It's technical. Have to be on point.
Yeah. So it came in like 4 big boxes. So this is the roofing. As you can see, that's the roofing. Right. And over here we have the doors. So all 4 doors came in 1 box. They're sorting out the stuff them and put them in order so they can easily go up as long as they match everything. So
The number. Is that the number?
You know show number. You want to show letters. You know what number and this one show letter.
hey, mother says show.
Right now.
Okay.
You're out already.
Curry chicken, man. White rice. No, after. I'll be here can cook that. Cook the curry chicken, yeah.
So in this box here, so they start putting up the sides right now. They put up their first side, and the sides come into a lot of different pieces. And right here, yeah. So we're going in. That's the box with the sides, and now they're putting up the first piece, and yeah, this is what they're doing right now.
Guys, like one of them there.
Guys, we were gonna get somebody to do this, but this is something that, you know, I know my husband and my son, you know, I don't put anything past them, because everything that we buy and try to put them in place, I ask them to fix it up, and they do it. They know how to do it. They read well and they follow the instruction, even though this is a little challenging.
Which one? No?
Yeah.
Make sure that this line at the top of the wall panel is
I'm not sure yet.
Yeah. Yeah, see, for steam to you, see, over steam side yourself, I don't stick a screw.
This is a little challenging for them, because it's something that this is the first time they ever do it. So they have to read, pay attention, and put the things them in place before they start fitting them up, so they know what they're doing. They have to be able to read and get the understanding from the manual. I know it was going to take them a little time, but I trust that they will do it. He's home. I'm videoing for your mother. Yes, she wants it night too. this project started, I wasn't home. So I asked my daughter Sammy to do some 1 minute clips and to show me what they're doing. So I just put these clips together and I'm gonna do a video with it to just showing you their process. They're doing very well, right guys? It's coming together. It's coming together.
You done cook?
The meat at all, Siobhan, and I'm making a video for mommy.
What?
The meat at all. Making a video for mommy. So just stop with the cooking, with the food. You know what I learned about this thing while they're putting it up, right? If you don't put the things in place, you have to pull down the whole thing all over again. I am telling you, like, it's technique. You have to have some kind of understanding, some form of knowledge to what you're doing.
Yeah, dinner there.
Light a fall in a catch.
You need a roof.
Oh. Alright. Soon fix, guys. If you're not a professional, it's good to have a second hand to help you all of these things when you're fitting them together. It's good to have that support. These iron are for the roofing. Those that you just see on the floor. When they go on the roof, because they're heavy, they help put it together, hold them together. As you can see, every time Sammy come outside, they are in progress of doing more. You see the back fence went up, so she give them like some time and then she come back outside and do some clippings of some video. But my son is hungry. All he can think about is the food, so he's gonna stop very soon because he's hungry. And that was the first day that they did this. So watch it.
Chicken and cook?
Yeah, Stefan. Oh my God. You gonna make the video be about food? They start this on Saturday. My son went to work, came home about after 1. I think they started this about 2 o'clock. But by 4 o'clock, the place get dark. So they actually did this in maybe about 3-4 hours. They put up this foundation and it was good. Okay guys, so this is the final piece for today, because it's getting dark and my son said he's very hungry, so we're gonna do this for for the hen. Okay, so this is all done with both of them. So they did all of this on the first day. They put up all the frame on the first day. So this is bright and early Monday morning. I was home and my husband was doing the roofing. So now he's doing the roofing on his home. You know fix? Eh?
Yes, and I line up.
You have to take it all back? Okay, so I am not recording the whole thing. I am just doing the same clippings as what my daughter did on Saturday. So I'm going up here. He's fixing the other side of this roofing that he put up by himself. He's gonna frighten right now because he don't know I'm right behind him. So yeah, he's fixing the roof. So he's doing a good job by himself because he have no help, so I'm taking him home time to do what he can do because my son is at work and he won't be available again until next Saturday, so he's not waiting. What you want me to do? You're frightened. Oh shit. Oh, oh shit, scary, yo. So as you can see, guys, Obi is putting on the side door right now by himself, but he's going to need help. So it have two doors. It have two doors. Have this side entrance, and this is 8 by 15 feet, and let me see, and it have the front entrance. This is the front, and they're both double doors, but the front here have, it look like a nice little house, so I can go put my bed in, and not true. So to put up the other side of the ceiling, can I put my bed in it and just sleep in there during the summer to brace the ceiling. The door have to go up first. Okay. So that's what he's going to do. So the door them there. So hubby's just, you know, and there the door to the second side of the roofing, and there it is. I pop up in my video for true. Control your butt, man. So one more down and more to go. So I'm gonna take a break now and I'll be back. I'll be still at it. I'll be still at it. So as you can see, I'll be put on the other side of the roof. So now he needs my help. Boy, it's still at it, Edge. Still at it. Me a babysit. So this is the final, you guys. There it is. It'll be a seal off the roof now, the finishing touch. You frightened? Me frighten you? Eh? You never hear me? Hmm? It's so easy for frighten. You come and sleep in here so tonight? Eh? What you mean? We can't come in here so tonight come sleep. And nobody can hear we. What you mean? Jar kind of snore. You owe me, you know. So we can't come in here tonight. You want to put me on pallet? Oh wait. No, I can't. Oi, oi. How are you going? No sir, you're too much.
I don't know if I know. I want the food done already.
What food? Food not then nowhere close to done. Chicken foot a cook. Wow, look at that. I'll be alone finish it and I couldn't wait for my son. So I'm taking him like a time and do it himself. It looks really nice. Wow.
So if you can want me,
Oh really?
what's something that long time?
No, just don't pan me, man. Okay, let me lock you back. Hmm? Okay, so he's gonna fit in the blades for the window and the little decoration on the side of the window. So
Do it
that's
then tight
next
like
time.
virgin.
So
They want to loosen up.
when that go up, you will see it. See you soon.